In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a shipping label in eBay if you've purchased a label by mistake, selected the wrong shipping service, or simply no longer need that label. eBay makes it possible to cancel or void it directly from your seller tools. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can handle it quickly and avoid confusion. To begin, log into your eBay account and go to the main navigation at the top of the page. Click on Sell. This will take you into the seller area where you can manage listings, orders, and shipping related tasks. Once you're in the seller section, move your cursor over orders. You don't need to click right away if the menu opens when you hover. This menu gives you access to different order management options, including the shipping tools you'll need for this process. From the orders menu, click on shipping labels. This opens the page where eBay stores the labels you've created. If you've printed multiple labels recently, this page is especially helpful because it lets you review them in one place. Now, find the item you want to cancel the label for. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct order. It's a good idea to double check the item details before moving forward, especially if you ship several packages and have similar orders listed close together. After you locate the correct item, look over to the Actions column. There, click More Actions, and then select Void. In eBay, voiding a shipping label is the step used to cancel it. This tells the system that you no longer intend to use that label. Next, eBay will ask you to choose your reason for canceling the label. Select the option that best matches your situation, then click Cancel Shipping Label. This submits your request and starts the cancellation process. Keep in mind that canceling the label may not always be instant. In some cases, eBay or the shipping carrier may need time to process the void request, especially if the label has already been created recently. Also, be sure the label has not been used, because used labels typically can't be canceled. And that's it. Once you've completed those steps, your shipping label cancellation request will be submitted through eBay. If you found this helpful, you can follow the same path anytime you need to review or manage shipping labels in your seller account.